Okay, we're at the Cebu Goat Farm. I saw a sign that said the Cebu Goat Farm. So we're gonna check it out. You can see some Typhoon Odette destruction here. And some repair going on here. Wow, beautiful farmland. Hey, Joe. Shy.
Naguba na siya, bagyot. Oh. Gago, they're doing some repairs.
Yeah, Typhoon Odette. Is there a goat farm down here?
Yeah, just over there.
Go buy the goat. Joe. My boot tank.
Goat farm?
Hey, Joe.
Be careful, Joe.
Yeah.
So slippery.
Maybe you should take the left side. Ario's struggling a little bit.
Yeah, we should take the left side. Oh, be careful, Joe.
Yeah, I walked on slippier ice than that. Hey, we got kite flyer right here, a professional kite flyer. Very high. Look at those two kites. Wow, he's controlling both of them too. Wow, that's a pretty good job. My boot tank. This is pretty slippery, this mud.
No good, dirty.
Aha. Go this way.
Dirty, dirty, dirty.
Thank you, thank you. The goat farm. Everybody making their way to the goat farm. Hey! Look at those boots.
We have boots. Yes. That way.
That way to the goat farm. Which?
So it's easy here
Okay.
to do it. Be careful.
Thank you.
Be careful.
Sa goat farm.
Oh, I see the.
So slippery.
Yeah. I see the goat farm. And I see the mud. Be careful, Ario.
I think I'm gonna go.
Why don't you just stay up here, Ario? I'll go down to the
No, Joe, it's fine. I'm gonna remove my.
Ario's going barefoot. Wow, it's a pretty good sized goat farm over here. And we do see a welcome sign. And I had my shoes in the sea yesterday cleaning. Holy moly. Taking our time. Don't want to take a spill. I think we might have to go to the pier after this and wash our shoes.
Yo, I'm gonna wait for you here.
Yeah, I think so, Ariel. My sandals are a little bit more sturdier than Ariel's sandals. Wow, so we got the goat farm. This is really cool. You need to see my shoes. Muddy, muddy mess. Look at these goats. Beautiful goats. And we got the big goat right there. Wow, he's a big one. Wow, all the pens look very well kept and clean. Looks like it's not feeding time yet. You got lights. It's gotta be at least 20 goats in this pen right here. Maybe about 15, 20 goats. Nice little farm. Go check out the other pen here.
Another one there, Joe.
Yeah, make my way to it. I like the tires. You got a little cement action here. Easier to walk. Beautiful goats. Look at these goats. Gotta watch my head. These guys got some food. That's a big one. Look at that goat. Got more goats here. Very curious. We got a lot of mother goats here with their young. Hey, little guy. Got small chicken. We got another mother goat here with some young. Wow. Some younger goats here wondering who this Americano is. Hi, guy. Whoa. Beautiful goats. Nice goats here. Let's see this goat right over here. He's a shy one. And then we got our chickens over here. Hey, he came to say hello. Bah, bah. I think that's what a sheep says, huh? Wow, beautiful goat. Look at that goat. Nice chickens too. Wow, I don't know what type of fruit that is on the tree there. That looks really cool. Could be a big grapefruit. But beautiful. Now it's just a matter of making my way back up the mud. Hopefully I won't slip and fall. Yeah, the farmer says that fruit is grapefruit on the tree. Sequoia. So hopefully back up the hill here.
The Black Joe.
It's time when you need your trekking boots. Holy moly. Alrighty. Making my way. Any snakes around?
Nay, bitin bot.
Wala.
No, Joe. No snake.
That's good to hear. Oh, it's okay. We'll wash when we get. That's for Ariel. Ariel's feet are pretty muddy. Is he the goat farmer?
Oh no, he's the one taking care of the construction.
Oh, okay. A lot of damage from typhoon. Typhoon.
Dako kayo damage boss.
Oo.
Bagyo.
Oo, dako eh. Damage ito ng mga balay. Ano, damage mo na. Ako lang trabaho. Mag-wire na.
Yun eh, wala rin problema sa tubig dili ba sa? Ito pag umas bagyo wala ra gyud kuhan.
And we're not even in the rainy season yet. I imagine this place right around here is going to get very muddy.
Salamat po sa. Alis kami.
Hey, Mayan Butang. So we have the kite flyers here. I think we might need to get back up a little bit on higher ground. Doing okay, Joe? Are you okay? Oh, you better watch out for the wire, huh?
Go, diratid.
There's my camera shy friend. Camera shy. Come on, Filipino movie star. You're Filipino star. Look at the beautiful land behind you. Buy a goat, how much? How much for a goat? Wow, very beautiful. You okay, Ariel?
Fine,
Yeah. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. It was kind of cool just to go to this goat farm. A little muddy, but a lot of fun. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.